Dense fog advisory in effect for Northwest Arkansas. New, though, Weather Service out of Little Rock starting to expand their dense fog advisory a little bit closer. So now the question is, are we going to need to fill in the River Valley? I think there's certainly a chance that we will see that fog extend that far south. That fog, the drizzle, at times a couple of spotty showers, going to keep things pretty dreary into the evening, likely even into tomorrow. It's all part of that pesky old cold front that has pretty much just decided to park itself here. It meanders around a little bit, keeps things overcast. Temperatures are somewhat of a nightmare to forecast. North side of the front, you're cool. South side of the front, we're notably warmer. That trend likely continues well into tomorrow. This is 3 o'clock, and you notice at times you got those spotty showers out there. Not everyone sees rain, but just enough out there to be a bit of a nuisance. Highs are going to probably look like this tomorrow. Yet again, it really just comes down to where does that front decide to stall out for the day. We're probably going to see some more upper 50s Northwest Arkansas. Meanwhile, south of I-40, a little bit higher degree of confidence that maybe will be just a little bit warmer in those 60s, even pushing low 70s. Rain chances, not zero. They're low, though, about 30% tomorrow and Friday. Notice what happens going into next week. We start to raise that chance of rain Monday, and we keep it relatively high first 2 or 3 days of next week. I want to show you a futurecast. This is just a model. We get new models in 4 times a day for these types of models, and they're going to change a lot. But what we're noticing is a trend that would bring a mix of wintry precipitation into the area as early as Monday, probably Monday evening. That timing's important because once that sun sets, we're going to cool off. And if temperatures are even close to freezing at that point, of course, you start to have some issues. It looks like it very well could be a mix. So unfortunately, at this point, with the information that we have right now, it doesn't look to be an all snow event. That's me trying to put some lipstick on a pig here. We very well could see some freezing rain out of this. That's not anything anyone wants, but the cards that are being dealt right now certainly suggest that. We have another wave Tuesday. It looks like we very well could have another wave on Wednesday. There's no details that for me to pass along to you just yet with regards to impacts or timing or even location, but we do have enough confidence that at this point, I do want to put it on your radar. We'll have a 50% chance of those showers on Monday. I think the rain chance is going to continue to increase. The real question becomes, are those temperatures going to drop below freezing, and what's the depth of that air? It looks like overnight we're dropping just below freezing at the surface. That could spell some problems for us. Again, that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Until then, we're going to be unseasonably warm. Sure, there's a bit of a temperature roller coaster. Tomorrow, mid to upper 50s. By Friday, we're back in the low 50s. And then Saturday, that weather whiplash really kicks in when we approach 70 degrees in the afternoon in Northwest Arkansas. I think in the River Valley, we'll be in the low to mid 70s at least by midday Saturday. And then that big strong cold front sets up Saturday night into Sunday. Notice that drop in temperatures. Wow, that is going to be a shock to the system come Sunday morning. And then we cool off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. One of the things that we have to watch for really closely, we know that our weather models don't handle this cold air really well. Often it underestimates how cold it's going to get and how soon it's going to get here. And you'll notice overnight in the River Valley, 36, 35, 31 even. If those numbers are off even by a little bit, then of course we're not dealing with a cold rain, we're dealing with something else. So that's some of the questions we're trying to get you answers to. We'll keep you posted right here and on 5+.